What's the deal, man? Welcome back to the channel. What's good, XX family, man? Go ahead, like this video, subscribe, become a part of the family, man. Come run the markets up with us, you feel me? Anyways, listen, man, I get this question all the time, bro.
Chris, how do you find entries? How do you know where to put your stop loss? What's support and resistance, Chris?
Listen, I got you right now, man. This is the most important step of Forex, bro. One of the most important things. I'm gonna make this super simple for you, bro. Make sure you take notes. Note takers are money makers. You feel me? So get that notepad out and we gonna jump straight into this support and resistance, man. The cheat sheet. Let's get it. So let's go ahead and jump into it, man. I'm gonna try to make this as quick as possible, right? I know no one wants to sit here and stare at, a YouTube video studying all day, right? So boom. All right, let's get it started. So I got two boxes here. I'm gonna go ahead and type, boom, the bottom support, right? All right, the top is gonna be your resistance, right? So rule number one, I guess, support is gonna be your floor, right? Resistance is gonna be your roof. And what I mean by that is when you're in a trade, right? Boom, I'm trending up, I'm coming down. Oh damn, I'm at support, I can't break through. Now it's gonna go back up, right? Go back up. I know I suck at drawing. Boom, I found resistance 9 times out of 10. Come back down, support, go up, come down, retest support, boom, right? I might have took a buy right here just because I knew it was support. I might have took a sell up here because I knew it was resistance, right? But anyways, that's a little gist of it. Let me make it make sense to you on the actual chart, right? So boom, make sure you write that down. Resistance is roof, support is your floor, right? Also make a little bulletin on your notepad that says indecision zones, right? So boom, first thing I'm gonna do is I look at my chart, right? I notice there's this area where price is just not breaking above. So 9 times out of 10, that's gonna be your resistance, right? So let me draw a little line there, right? And then boom, also I see this area where price is just like refusing to break below, right? Boom, so I draw my line. So what do you have here? Boom, resistance, right? Boom, support, resistance, support, right? 9 times out of 10, this may come to support, but go to resistance. It might just keep going up to hit your resistance, right? Now to make shit simple, if I'm at a support 9 times out of 10, I'm gonna take a buy, right? What is that? And if I'm patient enough, I might just secure all 900 pips based off that buy, right? Boom, I get to my resistance. I know 9 times out of 10 is gonna reject, right? So if I'm patient enough, I'll take a sell up here, right? And I might just catch another 900 pips, right? Patience is the name of the game, right? So boom. What happens, the only way to tell the future, right, what's gonna happen to the right of this is to know what's gonna happen to the left. So the cool thing with support and resistance, look at the past, right? Damn, this is still resistance, right? Still support back in June of 2019. So these key areas I know in the future are where I'm gonna be looking to take entries, right? And you're like, damn, Chris, that's it? That's all? Pretty much, bro. But let's say you're not a swing trader, right? Because again, this is on the I don't know if I mentioned it, but you start on the daily time frame. I'm on the daily time frame, right? So if you're more of a intraday, or hold it for a day or two, you're gonna want to start, go from the daily down to your 4 hour, right? Now, same thing applies in the 4 hour, right? I'm gonna look for areas where boom, touch, that it just can't seem to break through, right? So let's see right here. And also, like I said before, I don't know if I said it, but make sure you color code your lines, your horizontal lines. So my red is my daily, my orange is gonna be my 4 hour, right? So boom, I see it's clearly rejecting that point, right? Let's try to find another one. I see it's clearly uh rejecting this support right here, right? Now remember, I told you to write a little bulletin in decision zones, right? Because what happens is your support becomes your resistance. And what I mean by that is, okay, boom, you see at hold on, let me go in the past. You see let me get a good example for you guys, right? So in between here, damn, hold on, I'm sorry, y'all. I might need to scroll back a little bit more, or just add a few more indecision zones. So boom, I clearly see a support here, right? Boom, boom. I'm sure in the future, yup, over here became resistance, became support. So what I mean by indecision zone, right? So right here, right, you see it's resistance, right? This one line is resistance on your 4 hour, right? Based off where price is, resistance, right? Resistance. But if you come in the past, this same resistance acted as support right here. Boom, support, right? Let's go below, go behind a little bit, right? Support. The same line, right? Came kind of, messed around, became resistance. Let's see some more. Right? Support. You get the point. So your support eventually becomes resistance. Right? And I like to call that, oh, this is beautiful. I like to call that an indecision zone. Right? So boom. Came up, kind of acted a little funny. Support right here, right? Came up, support, right? Support, broke through. This same line is now your resistance, right? These are indecision levels, right? So make sure you write down on your bulletin, indecision level, support becomes resistance, resistance becomes support. Now back to the original. So the original thing. So this red line is my daily support, right? This red line up top is my daily resistance, right? So what I do is I'll go on the 4 hour time frame and find little indecision levels, right? I don't like to pack too many in between, maybe 2 to 3. I know I put 4, but that was for an example purposes. You want to really stick around the relative price. You know what I mean? Now, if I go on the hour time frame, I'm an intraday trader. I don't like to wait days to make my money, right? So if I go on the hour time frame, you literally do the same thing, right? You find indecision levels, but on your hour indecision levels, you want to make your line, I don't know, maybe blue, right? For the hour, right? So boom, I have an indecision level there. Why? Because look here. Boom, resistance, right? Resistance. Oh, back here though, support. It touches the line both times, right? So I may put 1 in between my 4 hours, you know what I'm saying, my 4 hour indecision levels. So what I see here, a major rejection. So 9 times out of 10 in the past, it rejected this level too, as you can see there. As you can see here, it was a resistance. It was a support there. You know what I mean? Okay, boom. Let me see where my time is at. Oh, my bad. I'm on 9 minutes, right? Okay, cool. So we get the gist of that, right? Now let me show you how to find entries and stop losses and all of that. How you're gonna make your money, right? So boom. Let's go right here, right? I have a major uh daily support, right? Because this is a red horizontal line. This is where we found the daily. So 9 times out of 10 at support, I'm gonna be buying based off how many confluences I can find, right? How many reasons I have to take a buy. Me specifically, I need 3 confluences, but okay, boom. Let's say we took a buy here, right? Let's get my long position. So I don't know. Let's say entries here, right? Hold on, let me move this up a little bit. Okay. Let's say my entries here. Oh look, I have an indecision level right here, right? On the hourly that I didn't mark up. My first take profit is 9 times out of 10 gonna be right here for 87 pips, right? Now, where's your stop loss? Well, I see an indecision level right here, right? It's kind of tight, but you'll notice more on the lower the time frames you go is gonna break the candles up. So boom, let me put my stop loss right under this hourly indecision level, right? So what? That's about a 45 pip stop loss, right? For an 82 pip take profit. Boom, easy, just like that. I have another indecision level up here, right? Support, strong support right here, strong rejection. Support, resistance, support. This is definitely an indecision level. So, boom, I could put my take profit too there, right? 120 pips. I now have a 2.5 risk to reward ratio, right? And I'll make a whole nother video on risk management and all of that, but like literally, it's that simple, guys. You know what I mean? Just based off the time frame you want to trade, this is how you find support and resistance. This is how you find your entries, your stop losses, all of that, your take profits. Like, it's literally that simple, guys. And if you need more, I can definitely go in depth on another video, but I wanted to make this as simple and as quick as possible. You know what I mean? So make sure, leave your feedback if that's something you would want another video going more in depth. But that's literally support and resistance, man. This is gonna take your trading to the next level, bro. You know what I mean? The next level. As literally as find a support, buy. Find resistance, sell. Like, literally. You know what I mean? And that's gonna be that, gang. You know what I mean? I didn't want to go too crazy with this. I just wanted you to know the basics. And that'll be it for this video. Y'all comment below anything y'all want to see in the future, and I will make sure I get that out to you. And yeah, that's it, man. I appreciate y'all watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, man, if you took any knowledge away from this. And make sure you study this over and over and take notes. Study, man. And you got this shit, I promise. But I'll catch y'all in the next one. I'm out, man.